Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to place an order on Temu. So in order to do that, first of all launch Temu application. Now once you are here, you can see various options on your screen. You can either go to the search bar and search for your desired product, or else you can select the category from your Temu's homepage. So for instance, I'm going to choose this category and simply tap on this option over here. So this is the product I want to purchase. You can see the amount for this product. If you scroll down below, you can see various reviews from the customers. Now let's select the color for this product. So in this case, you can see only one color is available. You can also choose the quantity and then tap on the option of add to cart at the bottom. Now, as this product has been added to my cart, I'm going to simply tap on the option of cart at the right-hand side. With that, I'll be led to this page. Now simply make a selection on this circle at the left-hand side. You can see the amount here. Now simply I'm going to tap on the option of checkout at the bottom right corner of my screen. With that, you will be led to this page. Now over here, all you have to do is enter in your personal details in order to move forward. So as you can see that I have entered my personal details, let me make a selection on this option and then simply tap on the option of save at the bottom. Now over here, a verification code will be sent to your number. Make sure that you check your SMS and enter the code over here. After that, you will come to this page. So you will have to choose a payment method for this item that you are about to order. So you can choose any of these options from given here. And at the bottom left corner, you can see your subtotal amount. So after checking in all these details, simply tap on the option of submit order at the bottom right corner, and that's how simply you can place an order on Temu. And this is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.